Hey y'all, it's Megan and welcome back to my channel. Today I am just going to be doing a quick Halloween decor takedown and tidy around my house. The sun is setting quickly, so I'm going to try and go as fast as I can, and I really want to get my apartment back to base 0 so that I can start decorating for Christmas. So come along with me as I take everything down and we'll have a really good time. Popping in really fast because I'm about to edit this video, and as I am going to edit, they just called the election results and Joe Biden is going to be our new president. I know I do not talk about politics on this page, but I am a progressive. I did vote for Joe Biden. I am very, very happy. I hope that everyone always feels welcome on this page, and I just think now is the time for civility and to come together and to just like wrap this year up as a country together, because the divisiveness is not going to do anything. So that's just going to be my little spiel. If that is not for you, feel free to unsubscribe. You won't hurt my feelings. I know it's not for everyone. It's not everyone's view, but I just wanted to say to everyone who was, you know, who did vote blue, we did it, and thank you. And let's move forward together.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you love me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you love me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. La 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 Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you love me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me?
Alright you guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. It is a short one, but Obviously, I don't have a lot of decor or tidying up to do because it's just me. But I hope that you enjoyed this quick video. Next up, I'm going to be talking about some of my plans for the holidays and the style I really want to go for in my Christmas decor. I've got some awesome collaborations coming up with a really good friend here on YouTube, and I know you're going to love it. So please stick around. I'm also considering doing Vlogmas. A mix of like actual content and vlogs. So if that's something you're interested in, let me know. I have never done it before. I've always thought about it, but never done it. I think it could be fun. But all that is to say, thank you so much for watching. If you want more day in the life behind the scenes fun stuff, you can follow me over on Instagram or on TikTok at Colorful Megan. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.